Eric with Radiator Grill Store here with another modification for your C8 Corvette. This is going to work for your Stingray, your E-Ray, your Z06, your ZR1. We're going to turn these flappy paddles into some more positive detent magnetic shifter paddles. And we got an RGS surprise for you, so wait around to the end of the video and come on with us.
Showing the stock clicking action. And got some good movement there. A little soft, maybe a little attenuated.
We only need a couple simple tools for this operation. We need a plastic trim tool, of which we do sell in the store, and we need a T20 Torx bit on a ratchet, and we need a flathead screwdriver.
All right, removal of the paddle is pretty simple. We're going to remove this panel. We're going to utilize the trim tool, just sneak it in behind here. And now we have the two T20 screws here. We're just going to take those out with a ratchet. Be careful not to lose any one of these into this cavity here. So a magnet, or making sure that once it's loose, getting your fingers on it. Don't lose it in there. We have the T20 screws removed. Pull out gently, and we're going to disconnect this gray connector here. Pushing out this safety latch, get that out fully, and then we're gonna gently twist in between here. Once we got that out fully, and pull out the connector. Here's the little surprise we have for you. Amplify orange shifter paddles. Pretty slick, right? So we're going to simply push back in the electrical connector. And then we're going to reinstall the T20s and the cover plate. And we're just replacing the panel here for the final product.
Little comparison, the stock paddle versus this. Look how visually striking that is with the Amplify Orange, with the Amplify Orange car. But here's a little comparison. See the throw? This one. Not too loud, but very nice, very, very taut with that magnetic shifter.
Here we go, a little test. Boom. Nice, positive clicks, look at that. Boom. Fast, super click, you know, not too loud, not too video gamey, just right. This is, look at that, just bam. These are good.